Have you ever wondered that you could wear a Kendall Jenner outfit that costs about 2 lakh rupees in just 4,000 rupees? Well, I managed to do that, and if you're wondering how, keep on watching. Welcome back to another one of my videos. If you're new here, I'm Ishita and I'm super glad that you stumbled upon this video, and I hope that I keep you glued on till the very end. As the title suggests, in this video I'm going to be recreating 6 of Kendall Jenner's outfits. Now, she is one international celebrity, model, whatever you want to call her, whose style I can relate to, especially her street style, and I'm absolutely in love with it. In fact, I did a lot of research. It took me quite a few days to get exact, sort of exact or similar clothes to what she was wearing in these outfits. In fact, one of these t-shirts I even got custom made especially for this video, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. The whole idea of this video is to do a side-by-side comparison of her super expensive and super designer branded outfits and how you can actually recreate them in a much lesser price like I would be doing. I'm very excited to show it to you guys, so let's get right into it. So the first outfit that I'm recreating is this yellow colored bodycon dress and costs about 19,000 rupees. The bag that she's carrying with it is a Prada and is priced easily at around 1.13 lakhs. The heels that she's wearing cost 75,000 rupees and the gold drop earrings cost another 18,000 rupees. But here comes the fun part. The outfit that I recreated, of course, wasn't easy to put together, but my outfit doesn't cost more than 5,000 rupees. The earrings that I'm wearing are approximately 350 bucks. The bag costs around 1,200 rupees. I'm going to mention all the prices of the outfit details on the screen so you can check that out, and also mention the links in the description box in case you want to pick the same things or recreate the same outfit. Moreover, I think it's a really cute outfit and I would definitely wear this for a brunch. The next outfit is actually one that I was very excited about, and I wanted to see how it all comes together, and especially if it suited me or not. The total outfit here costs about 71,700 rupees. These are all approximate prices, but I tried my best to get the exact one, so I'm pretty sure I'm very close to the total amount. It was really difficult to get a similar t-shirt, which is why I got it custom made, and this was the one that I was talking about earlier in the video. It costed me only 999 rupees, less than 1,000 bucks in fact, and the boots were easily available on Myntra. I mean, obviously it took me hours to skim through all the products. It's actually not easy to recreate outfits. It looks easy, but you have to skim through thousands and thousands of products that are on the website to actually find the one that is most similar to the one I want to recreate. So the total cost of this outfit comes out to be around 7,000 rupees. I know it sounds a little expensive, but when you compare it to Kendall's 71,000 bucks, I think it's a pretty good recreation. Moving on to the next outfit, which is this really cute polka dot dress that she wore in Milan and cost about 80,000 rupees. I mean, I can never even imagine wearing such an expensive dress. Anyway, her footwear over here costs another 8,000 rupees, making the total of this outfit around 88,000 rupees. But I managed to recreate this dress in under 3,000 rupees. I was able to find a similar polka dotted dress on Myntra, and I also happened to find similar Oxfords. Obviously the color is slightly different, but it does look similar. I thought this was a very cute outfit, but I'm not sure if I'm going to pair this exactly how it is, but I'm definitely going to be wearing these shoes way more often now. The next outfit is one that Kendall wore for a Wimbledon match recently. Here she's wearing a Ralph Lauren shirt which costs about 5,600 rupees, and the shorts are also Ralph Lauren and cost about 13,650 rupees. She's wearing Adidas shoes, which are actually pretty common and a lot of people wear it. And the bag that she's carrying here is again the same Prada bag that I showed you guys in the first outfit. This outfit is of course really expensive, but mine costed only about 5,000 rupees. I managed to get this blue shirt easily on Myntra. The shorts obviously are slightly different. I'm wearing my denim shorts, but the ones that she is wearing are, I think, cotton from the looks of it. The bag is the same that I'm carrying that I wore in the first outfit, and these shoes are from Truffle Collection and they're super comfortable. I didn't expect them to be so comfortable, but I'm gonna come back and wear these sneakers so many times now. The next outfit is more of a casual, just for running errands or just grabbing coffee, I guess. Now the sneakers here that she's wearing cost 50,000 rupees. These are Yeezys, and the shorts that she's wearing are Adidas, which I think are pretty common. I couldn't find the exact sweatshirt price, but it should be approximately 3 to 4,000 rupees. The sunglasses that she's carrying are 18,000 rupees. I, on the other hand, recreated the entire outfit in just about 4,300 rupees. The sweatshirt is from H&M and it's really soft and very comfortable. These shorts are from Zara and they costed me only $990, which is a steal. Again, these are also really comfortable. I would never imagine myself actually stepping out in such an outfit combination, but after wearing it, I think it's turned out pretty well, and I'm definitely going to be wearing this also very often. Just to let you guys know, I'm going to mention all the product links in the description box, so in case you like any particular piece of clothing or an entire outfit, you can just click below on the links and pick it up for yourselves. The last outfit of my recreation video is a pretty basic one. She's wearing these cargo pants which cost about 60,000 rupees and paired it up with a tank top. Also, Adidas sneakers here cost another 13,000 rupees, making this a really expensive outfit. But I managed to recreate this entire outfit in just under 5,000 rupees. These cargo pants are from the brand Only. This tank top I got only for like $199 from H&M, and these shoes are actually from H&M. These are the H&M chunky sneakers which I've been wearing for a very long time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the outfit recreations, because I was really excited to produce this video. And let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite outfit. Also, don't forget the drill. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. In fact, 80% of you who watch my content don't subscribe to it. So aisa mat karo yaar. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.